Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. It's me, Ice, and I wanted to go on here today and do a quick makeup get ready with me because I have to leave. My sister's coming in within 30-40 minutes, so I have my go-tos when I'm in a rush. So for today, instead of using my Fenty, Pro Filter powder, I'm going to use the MAC Studio because it's very light. And I have a couple not bumps, but like dots on my face. But whatever. I'm using a lot of my fake go-tos. You guys, if you've been here, you know what I use. Again, if you have a question, I know at this time I'm going to list everything on the description box. So, oh, yeah. So this is my, also like the Smashbox Photofinish Primerizer. This one's my favorite. I haven't been using any like matte type of primers. I haven't been using it because I don't like to look dry. I like to look alive, more skin-like. But then again, it is winter now. I'm not almost winter, but it's like definitely more gloomy here. So I'm probably eyeing to get something matte. I hope you enjoy this video, and I'll see you. You guys, I'm kind of shook because this is very glowy. I like it. I'm using Glowish and then of course the MAC Studio Radiance. This is new. I like this. Okay, let's proceed. So I'm about to take out, I just took a shower too, so I used the new it's not new, but GISOU has a shampoo set, so I went ahead and used it. So I just want to see how my hair is doing. It looks, because I used the Kiehl's one, I have to, you know what, I'm just like, look at that. Look at that. I'm gonna do my hair and I'm gonna call it a day. I'm gonna put hair oil in my hair and just call it a day. So I put the oil, I mean, my hair looks just very moisturized with GISOU. It just looks so much better. And oh, guys, I'm telling you, my hair journey hasn't been, it's been up and down, but I feel like I found something that really could help my hair, especially with girls like me that have wavy long hair. I am mixed, so my mom is Asian, my dad's black, so my hair is just, it's been hard growing up, like, anyone who understands know that it's been hard, trying the right product and everything, but I feel like now, like, this brand, knowing that it has honey infused, it just helps my hair so much, and I really, really love the results. So I'm very happy with that. So I'm just gonna, since I'm in a rush, I don't tighten my hair anymore either. So what I do is like, I just pull my hair back lightly, do a little twist, and do that. That's it. Nothing too tight. Nothing tight at all. Just something very simple. I am in a rush to leave. I hope this video was informative, and this is how I do it. I'm trying to get out of here. Oh, hi Augie. So yeah, if there's anything that you want to know, let me know. People are asking about my lip combo. Like I said to a couple people, I told them it is the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Intense #3, and then the Iconic Nude, and then I put in the center lid the Huda Beauty Staycation. This best lipstick I've ever used. Love it. And I top it off with either on the Anastasia Beverly Hills lip here. What is this? Sepia and something else. I forgot. It's somewhere in my stuff. But the Pat McGrath lip glosses are my favorite, hands down. So I use this one. It's on my lips right now. It is the Bronze Divinity Lust Gloss lip gloss. So yeah, I hope that helped. So yeah, I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much. Thank you.